The most epic of climaxes comes to a standstill as we approach the Southern Hemisphere's greatest championship. Southern, West, North Africa and the world at large meet in the north. Zimbabwe with the first chance, and they bury it within 3 minutes. It's the defending champions. It's as we were with love from Zimbabwe, they say. Josh Chigova loved that one.
Well, maybe we should start believing me. Not that I expected it this early, by the way. What are you talking about?
Don't worry. I want the money in the bank now, looking to profit from the situation. Oh, Zambia, they hit back. It's Larozas Kambole. We have a game on our hands. What a final. It has started off 7 minutes. It's one apiece. Tostan Sabata celebrates.
Brilliant start into the competition. A true final of this multitude.
Zimbabwe look forward. They get it to the edge of the box and the strike comes in. Great approach play, fell to the right man. Kamapilia can or has more than a useful left foot. And that one he just swung on it and hoped it would dip under the bar. He didn't though. Oh, how about that with a 1-2 Lazarus? Kambole on the angle. Kambole from an improbable angle punishes arguably one of the best goalkeepers in the competition. Made it look easy. That's that sugar ding ding. Zambia rejoice.
Very direct football. If you have that kind of pace, sometimes you don't need support from depth in the middle.
The right foot up. The ball comes in the box as Tostan Sabata has to quickly drop to his left and deflect the ball away. Goes up in an apologetic hand as well to say, perhaps that was my fault. Not sure how. Now, did a couple bullets have one more left in the chamber? It looks as if they do. Oh, it hits the upright. It would have been Ronald Kampamba announcing himself in the most spectacular fashion. Zimbabwe survive.
Northern goal.
Now they're going to turn our defense into attack. It's Kamapilia. Oh my word! What a comeback! Well for Kamapilia! Zimbabwe do find that magic moment. Polokwane Stadium in raptures.
Such is the name of this game. Such is this beast called football.
Extra time to follow after this.
You never, just never give up until the referee says so.
He wants to do it all, even on throwing in duties as Kamapilia, a 27-year-old attacker. He gets it back. Neat little turn. Well spotted though by Zambia's attack. Referee Carvalho says penalty. It had to be Kamapilia. Oh, wouldn't you just know it? Zambia is all falling apart for the Chipolo Polo.
Single-handedly. You could almost say brilliant single-handedly destroys Zambia. This extra time performance.
Pilia steps up. You just knew for all money. He hit the sweet spot. And that's that sugar. The sugar ding ding. For Kamapilia, Josh Chigova says stand up. Zimbabwe take the lead deep in extra time.
The very fact that
a great attacking outlet, Muvanga skins one. There's a Kudawere for company. Will he go it alone? Sits on a hat trick, gives it to Piliat with the fourth. It is done and dusted. And Sunday Chiswamba and goal. Send the Zimbabweans into 7th heaven. The 6th championship almost certainly confirmed. That is that. History made. They are now out and out the top dogs if they weren't before. Of the COSAFA Cup, 6-time winners.